Now he shares what he believes is the most valuable book a trader can ever read.
Well, there's 3 books that I really highly recommend to you. The first would be, it's a fun read called Confessions of a Stock Market Operator, supposedly a story about Jesse Livermore. But to really understand the markets and yourself, I would recommend a book called Zurich Axioms. It's been just a wealth of information about how markets work, how about our emotions, how we can handle ourselves better in the marketplace. That's really the best book I've ever read about being a long-term investor and thinker of the markets. But the very, very best book of them all is this one, the one you're going to write. This is my book where I put in my trades every day, so I see if I'm buying and selling. I can look back in my trades and say, oh, what did I do wrong here? What did I say? What was I thinking? Why did I take that trade? That's the best way you're going to become a good trader. Keep records. Look at your successes. Look at your failures. Learn from your successes and your failures. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the best book you'll ever read about the market.
Larry Williams finishes with one of the most powerful lessons a trader can learn, and it has nothing to do with indicators or strategies. It has to do with self-awareness. The trading journal he is talking about is one of the most valuable tools you can have as a trader. Many traders spend years searching for the perfect strategy, but they never study their own behavior. They do not track why they entered a trade, what they were thinking at the moment, or how they managed the position once they were in it. Without that feedback loop, it becomes almost impossible to improve. A trading journal allows you to see patterns in your decisions. You start noticing when you trade too aggressively, when you break your own rules, or when you take trades that do not really fit your plan. At the same time, you also begin to recognize what you are doing right. Over time, this process builds a kind of personal database of experience. You are not just looking at charts anymore. You are studying your own decision-making process. That is where real progress in trading usually comes from. Larry also mentioned 2 classic books, but the most interesting idea is the third one. The best trading book is the one you write yourself. Every trade becomes a lesson. Every mistake becomes a piece of information that can help you improve. If you treat your trading journal seriously, it becomes more than just a record of trades. It becomes a mirror of your discipline, your psychology, and your evolution as a trader. And in the long run, that self-understanding can be far more valuable than any single strategy.